about the solar eclipse, which is coming on April the 8th, they're saying. We live in Indianapolis, which is a town. It's going to be like a 4 to 5 hours long event. And a lot of the law enforcement authorities, they have told us not to. Basically, the schools are shutting down, the universities are shutting down. A lot of people are flying into Indianapolis to watch this thing, and they are making it like this is like something to enjoy and have party around this event. What is the Islamic perspective about the solar eclipse? What should a Muslim do? Jazakallah khair. That's the first one.
That is totally un-Islamic, and any Muslim who engages in that, then they don't understand the religion. They are simply just mimicking others. So my position on this, or the position of Islam, is not my position, is to do what the Prophet instructed us to do. The essence of what he said, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, that the moon and the sun are two of Allah's creational signs, and they are great ones. Ayatani azimatani. He described them to be magnificent ones. Now, when they do this eclipse, then three things you can do, four things you can do, actually, more than that. There are other hadiths that says that. فافزعوا إلى الصلاة افزعوا إلى الدعاء افزعوا إلى الاستغفار and الصدقات. Four. Salah. There is a certain salah called al-khusuf or kusuf with a certain structure different to any other salah. Unique salah for khusuf. Dua. Making dua. Asking Allah to forgive you. And fourth is giving sadaqah. وفي لفظ يقول لك أعتقوا. Free people from slavery, which is another, form of sadaqah. Why? Because Allah is sending this because of a sin, and Allah is scaring us. You better come back to me, or the punishment will be implemented. So anyone who joins, look at this incident, and I believe the hadith في Sahih Bukhari, that Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, whenever he would see a cloud, hadith Aisha radiallahu anha, our mother, may Allah be pleased with Aisha Rabbil Alameen, our mother, is the narrator. So she, when there is a cloud, or the sky is cloudy or shady, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam would become so concerned, so anxious. He would actually look at the cloud, and then he would go inside the house. Aisha asked him, why do you do that when everybody else would rejoice, would be joyful, because this is a sign that Allah will bring down rain, which will water the planets and the vegetations, and can be used for drinking. A lot of وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. Out of water, everything is living. He looked at her, وَمَا يُدْرِيكِ, how do you know? The people of Ad, قوم Hud, they were showing that. فَلَمَّا, look at this verse, Surah Al-Ahqaf, فَلَمَّا رَأَوْهُ, he recited that actually to her, فَلَمَّا رَأَوْهُ عَارِضًا مُسْتَقْبِلَ أَوْدِيَتِهِمْ قَالُوا هَذَا عَارِضٌ مُمْطِرُنَا بل هو ما استعجلتم به ريح فيها عذاب أليم. When they saw the clouds, they said, oh, the rain, the blessing is coming. No, this is what you have earned, because at this stage they reached a dead end with Hud. It's done, and that's when Allah would punish. again, also we should not attribute these events to any event in the world happening on earth. The hadith which I just quoted, during at the time when Ibrahim, the son of the Prophet ﷺ, his son Ibrahim died, the eclipse happened. The people started circulating a heresy that the sun eclipse because of the death of Ibrahim. Rasulullah talked in the pulpit, أيها الناس, O people, the moon and the sun are two signs of Allah, and they don't do this because of the death of a human. Don't do that. And then he instructed them, when you see this happening, this is... you tell me how this sits with the non-Muslims, take on this. Those are people who are misguided. They need guidance. We ask Allah to guide them. Ya Rabb al-Alameen. Jazakallah khairan, Ismail.
Jazakallah khair.